I think I put way too much. Okay, wait, it does seem like it's staying in place. Okay, wait, but look at that tint.
Hey, it's me.
Hey everyone, it's me, Cedrina, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying popular TikTok makeup products. If you've been watching my previous videos, you've seen that I've been kind of stocking up on my new makeup. So if you're excited for this review, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Official. And now let's head straight into this review. First up, we have this Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin, I should say, plush put-in set. Oh my goodness, guys, I've been trying to get my hands on this set for the longest. Every time I see it at Sephora, I just end up not getting it. But then the one time I was actually about to buy it, they said it was seasonal and it wasn't there. So I had to get it online. But it was on sale. I don't remember how much it was on sale for though. Let me see. Plush put-in. Okay, it was originally $34, but I got it for $28.90. That's pretty good, I'd say. This comes with the Barbados Cherry and the original vanilla. I'm so excited. You guys know how much I love lip products. And of course we have to support Rihanna. Ooh. These are so cute already. I have to try the Barbados Cherry first. Can't smell anything yet. Get out some product. Hello, am I cranking it the wrong way? Let's try again. Okay guys, either I don't know how to use this or this is just not working. Wait, help, now it's just coming out. Okay, it took a few tries, but now it's coming out. You see that? And it kind of doesn't stop. Hopefully you guys can see that clearly. All right, that should be enough. Let's try this out. Ooh, ooh. It's thick, it's glossy. Wait, it has like a hint of a sour cherry scent. Reminds me of like sour cherry candy. Okay, here's how the plush put-in looks on my lips. Guys, I don't think you would think I put chapstick on or lip balm. It looks like a lip gloss, but it's thick and moisturizing like a lip balm. I love this. But I would say, I don't know if I would want to bring this out and about with me because you do have to put your finger on it and that might not be sanitary if you're like shopping or doing random stuff out and about. So it might be a product for home or you just have to keep your hands clean before you use it. But already 10 out of 10 for the cherry, and I'm pretty sure it won't be super different for the vanilla. Just look at that gloss. Okay, I need to take this off so I can try on the other one, sadly. Now let's try the vanilla. I wonder how this fully works. Oh, okay, that's enough. Ooh, too much is coming out. I gotta do better with my cranking control because this is starting to come out too much. Okay, and with this, a little goes a long way. Look at that. This set is more like birthday cake to me than vanilla, but I mean, those are very similar. Ooh, I actually like that. It's not that overwhelming kind of vanilla or birthday cake scent either. Okay, there's that one. And look, I still have a lot of product on the applicator left. Little goes a long way, a little goes a long way. Delicious. I love these already. But of course, it's by Fenty. I'm gonna give this plush put-in set a 10 out of 10. It's everything it needs to be. Glossy, moisturizing, thick. And I feel like these would be long lasting because a little goes a long way, so I already love it. Let me know if you guys would try this or if you have in the comments down below. I'm to get into the rest of this makeup look. I think I'm gonna tie my hair back because I just don't want it all up in my face. Okay, for this next one, I'm excited and scared. I'm going to be trying the Born This Way Healthy Glow SPF 30 Skin Tint by Too Faced. And I was looking all over the place for my right shade and I think it's Butter Pecan. Here's how it looks, but I'm scared because this better be correct after all that work I put in. I did get this on sale though, guys, for $15. That's a great deal. This is originally $42, I believe. So the fact that I got it for $15 and it's Too Faced, that's amazing. This is my first ever Too Faced product, by the way. Okay, you gotta shake it up. Who doesn't love skincare and makeup put into one? Because not only am I getting my face all makeuped up, if that makes any sense, I'm also getting that SPF in, which is perfect for spring and summer. Okay, so people apply this differently, either with their hands or with a brush. But I feel like because it has sunscreen in it, it might be better to use with your hands. I don't know, I'm a little scared, but we're gonna see. I don't even know, I don't know what to do. Let's just do it, I guess. Add that on. I don't even know. Wait, you can barely even see that on my skin. I don't know if it's the lighting, but is that my right shade match? Because help. Wait. Oh, help. Really? In real life, you can definitely see it, but the camera's not picking it up that well. Okay, we're gonna rub this in and see how it looks. Okay. I don't know. I hope it's not too light. Okay, I'm only doing this on one side to see how it looks. Okay guys, I rubbed it in and for a second I thought it was too light and I was getting flashbacks from my last review I did, but no, I rubbed it in and it's all good. Okay, let's do the other side then. Okay, you can see that. Rub that in. It's literally just a tinted sunscreen. Obviously, I'm still learning how to use this, but so far it's not bad. I gotta put this on the rest of my face. Get that forehead. Hell, oh my gosh. Okay, wait. I think I put way too much. I'll put it on the rest of my face. I'll be back once I rub this all in, and I'll give you guys my little review. Okay, guys, so I've rubbed it all in, and I think this might be my shade. If anything, it could be a little bit too light, but I am not going back to the store to get a different shade. I already worked too hard to get this one. But I think this is pretty good. If anything, it might just seem light because there's sunscreen in it, and sunscreen usually has like a white cast. But I think that's pretty good. To me, it looks natural. So if you're looking for makeup that has skincare in it, I'm just saying that because there's sunscreen, and something that's more natural, definitely try this out. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Is this my shade or is it not? I think it actually looks good. You just gotta blend it well. I don't know what to rate this yet because I'm so used to just doing concealer and calling it a day. And I usually just put my concealer like under my eyes and anywhere that I have blemishes. But this I put all over my face. So it's something to get used to, but I do think I'm gonna be using it some more. As of right now though, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Because I like it, but I think I need to use it more and understand how to use it better, if that makes any sense. All right, but there's our base. I'm gonna put on some setting powder and then I'll be back with you guys. Oh, I almost forgot to mention that I got this from Sephora. From Ulta Beauty, I got this NYX The Brow Glue. Okay, I've never tried a brow glue before. I've tried brow gel, but this is different. The reason I wanted this is because every time I do my eyebrows for school or just anything, it never looks the same at the end of the day. Like, it always wears off and looks kind of funny. So I want something that'll make them stick in place and stay looking the same all day. This is so tiny, guys. I wish that they made the packaging bigger so that we can get more. But, I mean, it is what it is. At least I got it on sale. Are there really instructions to this? I guess you just brush your eyebrow. I'm nervous. There's what the applicator looks like. I gotta zoom you guys in. Okay. This is so funny for no reason. I need to use my phone, too, as like a mirror. Please work the way I want this to. Okay, it's not feeling as thick and gunky as I imagined it to. It's more liquidy, actually. I'm just slathering this on, and then I'm gonna use my eyebrow brush to shape it. I hope that looks good. I know, guys, I don't have that much eyebrow to work with in the first place, but this is something. Okay, I think you're supposed to let it dry. I'm definitely gonna let it dry before I put on any eyebrow tint. So now let's do the other one. Okay, I don't know if they look any different, but they each have the glue on them, and I'm gonna let it dry. Okay, I think it's dry. This better actually stay in place, or else what was the point of this? Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take my e.l.f. eyebrow cream and color them in. Okay, wait, it does seem like it's staying in place. Guys, don't judge my eyebrows if they look rough. I do not have a mirror, so I'm just going off of my phone's camera and this camera. Okay, it's a little harder to brush in the tint when my eyebrows are literally glued, but not terrible. Here's how my first brow looks. I think that actually looks great. I'm going to do the same on this other eyebrow, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, I'm done with my eyebrows. Here's how they look. I can say that the eyebrow tint went on a lot darker and didn't wear off like it usually does when I do my eyebrows. And I guess that's all thanks to the glue. This is actually working a lot better than I thought it would, but I love that. There's not a whole bunch else to say, but the only other test I have left is to see if this stays on all day. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of my brows. So far, I'll give this also an 8 out of 10. An 8 out of 10. But there you go. Alright guys, sadly I'm gonna have to take off my plush pudding again, but it's not that sad because I'm finally going to be trying Summer Friday's lip balm. It's been a long time coming, but once I saw Sephora had these stocked up, I couldn't leave without one. This one is brown sugar. I've been really getting into darker lip colors, so I'm super excited to see what this looks like on my lips. Ooh, this is pretty big. It's bigger than most lip balms are. So cute, look at that packaging. We're gonna see what this is really about. First of all, a lot of people say that the applicator is squishy, and I just wanna see if it's true. Ooh, not my lips looking super red after I took that plush pudding off. Okay, cute little natural tint. I'm done. Okay, let's see if this is actually squishy. Okay, it is pretty squishy. It's not as like groundbreaking as people were making it seem, but yeah, I guess it's made out of silicone or some kind of soft plastic. Let's get out some product. There it is. It smells good, like, but it smells more like vanilla to me, like a typical vanilla lip gloss scent than brown sugar, but I guess they're all in the same family. I don't know. Let's try this out. Okay, wait, but look at that tint. Wait, this applicator is actually, it's like curved, so like you can feel it wrap around your lips. That's actually pretty cool. I feel like no one talks about that. Hold on. This has more of a thin lip balm feel, like compared to the plush pudding. This is a lot thinner. So like I'm a little nervous that it'll wear off quickly, but also I obviously have to wear it for longer. But right now I'm loving this like brownish, slightly red tint it's giving to my lips. This is beautiful. And I think it looks great on my skin tone. Ooh, I love this. This is definitely gonna have to go in my backpack or my purse when I go out. Just look at that. Okay guys, I actually really like this, but I'm debating if I should give it a 9 or a 10 out of 10. What do you guys think? I usually do like my lip products to be thicker because it makes me feel like it's gonna stay on longer. But what if it does? Ooh, this is vegan too. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna give the Summer Fridays lip balm a 9.5 out of 10. It's not getting that extra 0.5 because I want it to be a little bit thicker and a little bit more scented. But other than that, it's great and I love it. So let me know if you guys have tried Summer Fridays. It's actually really nice. I get the hype. Yeah, comment down below if you've ever tried it or if you want to. Also, I think you can only get this at Sephora. I don't think I've ever seen it at Ulta or any other store. Sephora is the only one that carries Summer Fridays. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give this video a like. Comment down below which one of these products was your favorite. I'd say my favorites were the Summer Fridays lip balm and probably the plush pudding, the Fenty plush pudding. Subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.